The errorcode 59 error in an HP printer signifies a problem with the internal transfer process, which is responsible for moving the toner. This error can be caused by a faulty sensor or a failed intermediate transfer belt. To resolve the issue, start by checking the sensor. Remove the intermediate transfer belt gear and look in the cavity for the sensor. Access the control panel, locate the sensor, and press the home and down arrow buttons. Then, press the OK button and select the manual sensor test option. Release the sensor flag and check the display to see if the sensor responds. If it doesn't, replace it with a new one. Alternatively, perform an intermediate transfer belt alienation test by opening the printer, locating the belt, and rotating the white gear to check for any fluctuation in the flag. If damage is found, replace the intermediate transfer belt. If no damage is detected, access the diagnostics menu by pressing the home button and the down arrow. Then click the OK button to proceed.